Aitan Shoko. Race number 2 anytime now. All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. And the race is on. Iyon, rushing up by the Royal Sparkling Rule. Blue Magic, Danori insides, Guapo po. Honey, where's my pants? Sorry, outside strike at Sunrise. Julia, Ina, Isa, and Color Top Notcher is running at the tail of the field. Passing the last 850. Sparkling Rule, the outstanding favorite by about 3 lengths, followed now by Honey. Where's my pants? Iyon. Is racing in third, Blue Magic. Then here comes Julia, Ina, Isa, racing on the outside. And as they race the last 550, is Sparkling Rule by about 3 lengths. Iyon. And Julia, Ina, Isa, racing in third by the Reds, Blue Magic. As they race the final corner, the outstanding favorite, Sparkling Rule by about 3 lengths. Iyon is running in second. Blue Magic down on the inside is Guapo po. And nearing the finish line is Sparkling Rule by about 5. And finally, the outstanding favorite, Sparkling Rule. Iyon. Blue Magic, Guapo po. Color Top Notcher.